Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're checking out the Creality K2 Plus 3D printer, a high-performance machine designed for creators who demand speed, precision, and versatility in their 3D printing projects. Before we get started, be sure to check the link below to get the best price on this 3D printer. Design and build. The Creality K2 Plus features a solid and spacious build volume of 350 by 350 by 350 m, giving you plenty of room to bring your creative ideas to life. Its sleek design combines functionality with style, making it a great fit for both professional workshops and hobbyist spaces. Printing features. This printer is packed with impressive tech. Ultra-fast printing speeds up to 600 mm per second, which means you can finish your project significantly faster without sacrificing quality. The multicolor printing capability with CFS, color fiber system, allows you to create vibrant, detailed prints that stand out. Intelligent tech. Equipped with dual AI cameras, the K2 Plus can monitor your prints in real time, helping you catch issues early and improve print success rates. Plus, full auto leveling takes the hassle out of setup, ensuring a perfectly leveled print bed every time for consistent results. Performance and usability. Whether you're printing prototypes, models, or functional parts, the K2 Plus handles it all smoothly. It supports a wide range of filaments and maintains high precision, so your prints come out clean and detailed. The user-friendly interface and smart features make it easy for beginners and pros alike to get started and stay productive. Pros. Large 350 by 350 by 350 m build volume. Ultra-fast printing speeds up to 600 mm per second. Multicolor printing with CFS technology. Dual AI cameras for real-time monitoring. Full auto leveling for easy setup and accuracy. Cons. Advanced features may have a learning curve for absolute beginners. Larger footprint requires ample workspace. Final verdict. The Creality K2 Plus is a top-tier 3D printer that combines speed, precision, and smart technology to elevate your printing game. Whether you're a hobbyist, educator, or professional, this printer offers great value and outstanding performance for a wide range of applications. Don't forget to check the link below for the best price. Your support helps keep the channel going.